Good evening. Families who lost loved ones to COVID-19 are suing a New Mexico nursing home, saying more could have been done to protect them. News 13's Jeannie Nguyen is here with the lawsuit.
An attorney representing 20 families who had loved ones at the Life Care Center of Farmington says the facility downplayed the severity of the virus, which they say was a deadly mistake.
Initially, the staff was instructed not to wear face masks because it scared the patients. The staff was also informed that, or allowed to, or in some instances forced to, work with symptoms of COVID.
According to the lawsuit, nurses were also required to wear the same mask for days in a row without sterilization and to reuse their nursing gowns. The lawsuit also claims when the first COVID patient was confirmed in the facility, that person was isolated in another part of the building, but the staff taking care of that person was also taking care of other residents.
We have the nurses work the COVID unit on one day, and then that same nurse may work in the dementia unit the next day, which obviously spreads the disease around the facility.
Attorney Josh Conaway says nearly 50% of the facility's patients died from COVID. Conaway says for a facility that's as well known as Life Care Center of Farmington, they should have had an infectious disease protocol in place. We tried to reach out to Life Care Center of Farmington for comment, and they referred us to their national office. We called, but no one ever responded. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Jeannie. Conaway wants to be clear. He is not blaming any of the nurses at the facility in Farmington, but wants the corporation to take responsibility for the deaths of their patients.